Yes!
How's this shot? I'm popping the Ramirez squat.
You got it. It looks great.
Okay, so
Fair.
this has been a dream of mine for some time, smoking food in a hollow log. But we found a log that's better than we could possibly have imagined. So, big open mouth here, and then this whole tree is hollow all the way along with lots of different holes. So the plan is we're going to light a big fire here. Don't need to worry about setting fire to the whole tree because it's actually in water. You can hot smoke stuff by putting it in quite close to the mouth. And then the little chimneys up here are going to be so cool that we can smoke cheese in them. Every little hole will have a different piece of food in it. Be tasty as hell.
Let's do it.
Something like that, and then we can
Yeah, just use that to suspend it in the
hang that in there.
in the mouth of the tree, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so the pheasant's going in nice and close.
I mean, that's kind of like there.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get some cheese going on, I think.
No, I've lost you. He's swinging his cheeses. Okay, here it comes. Smoke that cheese. Okay. Into the mail slot.
There we go.
Wouldn't it be funny if there was just a badger in here and it just ate all the food? It's pretty smoky.
Okay. Feel quite inventive, you know, in an old school kind of way.
Yeah, I wonder if people did this in the old days.
If they did, they're geniuses.
Oh yeah. That's it. Pretty smoky. What do you think for the first product of the hollow log smokehouse?
It's definitely starting to take it on really nicely, but longer for sure. I'm gonna put it back in.
It's time to reclaim our pheasant.
You ready?
Let's do this.
It looks pretty good.
Oh, look at that.
I'm almost certain that that is pretty nicely cooked.
So that to go in my mouth.
Go for it. It's got a little bit of ash on it, but no, it's great. Actually, I think that could have done with like 20 minutes left.
It's got a good smoke on it.
Delicious. Really scared of the smoke now. It's been smoke all day. Do you want some more?
Yeah, let's turn the camera off. I want to dedicate my full attention to this.